we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of our tasks, we need a truck crane. Let's assemble a truck crane and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the frame of a truck crane. We fastened 9 pairs of wheels to it. The first pair. Second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth pair. Sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth. And ninth pair. Done! Now we have to attach a cap for the driver. For good stability of our truck crane while working, we will assign 4 retractable supports. Now we need to install the rotating platform. We then fasten a second cabin for the truck crane operator. It will be needed to control the boom of the truck crane. The most important part of the truck cranes is the boom. We fasten the main boom to the rotary platform. In order for our boom to be able to become even longer, we will fix its sliding parts. The truck crane has 3 of them, the first part, the second, and third, and at the end of the boom we will hang a large hook which can be used to lift anything. Finally, we will install the pistons. And our truck crane is ready! The truck crane is a huge machine, but it differs from a normal crane, so that it can move on public roads because of the boom's ability to be closed into itself. Let's prepare the truck crane for its job together. And now we will prepare the cabin for the crane operator. We will pull the footing of the truck crane. Alright, we have 4 supports, so the crane has become much more stable and will not fall over. Due to the high load capacity and the wide variety of boom systems, it can be used in many situations. Construction of the truck crane is designed for very small time provisioning. The truck crane has a very long boom. When it is put together, our crane could reach the roof of a 7-story building. And when the boom is taken apart, the height of the crane is as big as a windmill. Incredible! Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble a working truck crane. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye-bye!